what's up guys, welcome to Trending Reviews. So last week YouTube released a new feature called YouTube Chapters. If you're watching this video, you're probably aware of what that is. And this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to set that up. If you're not aware of it, it's basically a feature that allows you to timestamp your videos like you used to do with adding the timestamp numbers into the description box, but now actually doing that inside the timeline. So on the actual video timeline playback, as you can see along the bar here, you would normally scrub across to see the different parts of the video. If you have a very lengthy video that is split into multiple categories and multiple parts that you'd like people to skip straight to, then you can actually do that from the timeline here below. So rather than just adding it into the description, there's a quicker way to do that, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So I've split this video into multiple little parts just for example purposes, but the first step you need to do is basically add the following number 0:00 and then have a dash and then call it whatever you like. I normally call it intro, as you can see in my description. Underneath that, add all of the timestamps that you like on a separate line directly underneath, and you've pretty much automatically got a chaptered YouTube video. So go ahead and look at my video here. Skip to the following chapters, and then you can see at the end the last chapter for me to wrap up this video. Alright guys, so that was it. Those were all my chapters. It's good to hover over it. Whether you're using your phone or your mouse on your desktop, then you can easily see the title of those chapters that you've given it in the description, and what a little thumbnail screenshot of some of the points that they look like. So it's perfect, it's very easy. If there's anything else you want to know about this, then do drop a comment below. If you found that useful, hit the like button. Hope you subscribe. Catch you guys next time. Take care.